Negotiation is one of the fastest and most powerful ways to increase your lifetime earnings. Not investing, not budgeting, not cutting back on coffee. Negotiation. Even a small increase early in your career compounds over decades. Yet most women hesitate, not because we cannot negotiate, but because we were never taught how to. So let us make this simple, calm, and practical. The first step is knowing your market value. Your salary is not based on how long you have been somewhere or how grateful you feel. It is based on what your role is worth in the market. You can check industry reports, salary benchmarks, and platforms where people anonymously share their pay. When you know the numbers, the conversation becomes clearer and far less emotional. The second step is preparing for the negotiation. Preparation is not memorizing lines. It is understanding three things: what you bring, what the company needs, and what the role is worth. Write down your achievements, results, and contributions. Be specific. You are not asking for a favor. You are presenting value. The third step is communicating your worth calmly. Negotiation does not require force. It requires clarity. You can say something as simple as, "Based on my contributions and the market rate for this role, I believe a salary adjustment to this range is appropriate." Short, clear, professional. You do not need to apologize. You do not need to over-explain. You are stating value, not asking for permission. The fourth step is asking without guilt. Many women feel uncomfortable when discussing money, as if wanting more is a sign of greed instead of growth. But asking for fair pay is not selfish. It is strategic. It is responsible. It protects your future. A raise of even a few €100 today compounds for the next 10 or 20 years. Through salary increases, bonuses, promotions, and pension contributions. It is far more impactful than trying to save a few euros here and there. Negotiation is not about winning or demanding. It is about aligning your value with your compensation. And you do not need to negotiate perfectly. You only need to negotiate consistently. Every time you change roles, take on more responsibility, or reach the right moment in your performance cycle. So remember, know your market value. Prepare with clarity. Communicate your worth simply. Ask without guilt or apology. Negotiation is one of the strongest tools you have for building long-term financial independence. Use it with confidence and let it support your future, quietly, powerfully, and with intention. One simple idea at one time,